Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to simply clean up your PC and clear all junk file from your Windows PC without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do on your Windows PC, what you need to do is to press Windows plus R on your Windows PC keyboard, and this dialog box here is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply type in the run box here, type in %temp %, and then hit on OK, and it's going to take you right here. All this file here refers to junk file and temporary file that make your PC much slower. What you need to do is to make sure you delete everything permanently. So for you to delete all the junk file, what you need to do is to press Ctrl A on your keyboard. This allows you to select all the file. Then the next thing you need to do is to press Shift key and Delete key on your keyboard, and then this is going to simply pump up on your screen right here. So right now, so at the time of making this video, I have about 293 junk file on my PC. What you need to do is to, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file, these items? Simply click on yes, allow everything to delete, and your PC, and see how your PC will continue to run smoothly and faster without any stress. It's as simple as that. As you can see right here, allow everything to delete and you will continue enjoying your PC fast operation without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.